Hi, and thanks so much for joining me for Everyday Vlogmas Day 9. Longer. I just wanted to do something a little bit more sun-kissed. I did want to go with just a slightly cooler lipstick though, because I don't know, we could change it up. Let's see. I have the NARS here in Reef, which I saw a long time ago and always wanted to pick up. So we'll try that. And then we're going to try the other NARS product just on my neck. I thought it was going to be more coppery, but I don't think it is. I think it's more pink than coppery. Then let's go in with this. So that really brought my neck more into the area of my face in terms of the color versus here. Thanks for letting me try that out. I really wanted to see what that Chanel palette could do in terms of something a little bit more subtle. So I just took that bronze color, put it all over the eye, and then took the teal. I used Intense Teal again, the eyeliner in the waterline, because yesterday when I used the Dior palette that had some of the blues and greens, if there was transfer, it was hidden in here. So I didn't see anything transfer outside of this area. So I went with it again, so watch it. But I think if you pair it with something underneath the waterline as well that's in the blue family, you won't see that transfer. So if you really want to wear that teal and you have something eyeshadow wise that you can put next to it, I think you'll probably have better luck in terms of not showing the smudging. And then I wanted to go in with the meteorites. I haven't used them for a while, so what you saw is actually a combination of the medium and the deeper shade. I mixed the two together, so it's a combination. And then the exterior was the holiday, I think from last year, so I don't know if it's available, but if it is, I'll list it below. I went in with the Guerlain stick foundation because I just knew the Tom Ford was going to be a little bit too deep. You can see there's definitely a sun-kissed look, even though I didn't put that deeper shade in the center of my face because of all the other things I put on. Let's see, I liked layering the blush because I remembered that first the chain blush gives a kind of like a sun-kissed look because there's a bit of tan in there, and then I just want to layer on top of that with some other warmer blushes. And then the NARS actually feels really nice on my neck because I have really dry skin right now. In fact, it was kind of like peeling off the other day, so that felt really kind of soothing on there because it's an oil, I believe. So thank you for letting me play around with all of those. That was a lot of makeup on one face, but you can see it doesn't really look heavy even though I used lots of different products. And I just wanted to add that Guerlain highlighter the B one because I thought it looked so pretty the first time I used it, so I just lightly went over it. But I think it came together for a very, like I said, a sun-kissed look, as if I've been, I don't know, somewhere in the sun. I thought though, since I've been organizing my makeup, kind of actually reorganizing it into categories by brand, actually easier for me to find things that way. So far we've done Chantecaille, Chanel, and the next one up that I think I have the most makeup of is Charlotte Tilbury. So we'll go ahead and reorganize all of that. Love Charlotte Tilbury, so if there's something that you didn't see that you think I should pick up, please let me know. I'd love to try it out, but she comes out with so many things so frequently I cannot keep up with everything, and I just pick the things that I think look interesting, but I may have missed something along the way, so thank you so much for letting me know. But that's it for today's video, so please take care of each other, stay well. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned something, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow.